Nzama ya kuandika Alimu TSC yiweta kana Vena Unyivu wa Alimu ngili miongo kenda na nyanya vaandhi ya Kenya na ala makweendeka masukuluni ula ungamite Nzama Nancy Macharia Nukuweta kana Unyivu wothotheetwe vanene ni Nzama kulea kuvathiwa ilovia sia kwiana kutwaaisya uandikani Angelina Musena mauvo.
Ainene ava kaunti ya Mombasa kavindani kala ikomanite na ngwatu ya skulu cia national na skulu ile ciuma cia mavundi cio memanya kuyamanyiwa ala methia ona mamutha memanya CEO Nzama ya TSC Nancy Macharia Nukuweta kana Vena Unyivu wa Alimu ngili miongo kenda na nyanya.
As I keep saying, TSC has not been in a position to optimally staff schools due to budgetary constraints. So currently, after we employed the 20,000 interns and converted the 46,000, we have now a deficit of 98,000 teachers for all schools, which we need to post if the schools have to be optimally staffed.
Niwawetikana kukosekana kwa alimu wothotheetwe vanene ni kulea kuvathiwa ilovia mbiani muviani uni kana kutwaaisya ya kuandika Alimu ala meanite ingi niwawetikana kukosekana kwa alimu makwiana masukuluni amemwanya wothotheetwe vanene ni kumana na mianya ite kuhusu na itino Nzama kutangasya mianya ya mawia masukuluni avala alimu aingi kuma masukuluni amaoneka mailalamikia vanene kulea kukwata alimu kavindani kala Nzama kuandika na kumatuma alimu masukuluni kivathukanio.
We are always re-advertising these positions for special schools for lack of applicants. We advertise, we can't get applicants, then we re-advertise, and we can't. So I wouldn't understand, and maybe it is time. I know we have the umbrella body for schools, for special schools. Maybe it's time they came and gave us a memorandum, because we have met even with them, right? To even encourage them. And that's why for special schools is customized, just for colleges. You don't compete with the rest, like secondary schools like before. You compete amongst yourself. Colleges too. But we don't get enough applicants. So what could be happening? I think I would need to understand that, and it can be done through your umbrella body. But
wanawe vone umeokanyu muviku ya alimu alama kutumia na ilovia sia skulu aiweta kana makuvikia kuoso matambe maki miao.
Yes, all the time. You know, we manage public resources, and all of us are called upon to ensure that we prudently manage these resources. Resources are scarce, so we are always called upon to manage them well. I think that is what the CEO also reminded us. Yes, the CEO Teacher Service Commission. She's spoken to us, we've talked to her, we have engaged very positively, and I hope the deliberations of this meeting, this engagement, in the long run would make a positive contribution in the management of education in this country.
Ngilivotea vilingi wa mauvo kuma kaunti ya Mombasa, nita wa Angelina Musena.